Hello guys, this is Prince Akase. Kamusta kayo dyan? So, ang pag-uusapan natin for today's video ay kung sino ang pinakamayaman na tao sa bansang Pilipinas or Philippines 50 richest. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang number one. Yes, ang number one is siblings. Si siblings. Ito yung mga anak ni Henry C. Ang business nila is SM Malls. Yan. Tapos, eto, diversified. When you say diversified, sari-sari. Ibig sabihin, sari-sari yung source of income nila. Real estate, malls, yan. Ang network nila is 14.4 billion. Grabe. Tingnan natin. Yan. Dali. Yan. Si siblings, 14.4 billion. Grabe. Ayun, anim pala sila magkakapatid. Ayan. Their combined net worth is comprised largely of stakes held in the group public trade. Ayan, SM Investment. Sa kanila yung SM eh. Ayan. C siblings network 14.4 billion. Alright. Siyempre, ang pumapalawa ang si Manuel Villar. So, na may network na 9.7 billion. So, ang source of income niya is real estate. So, tingnan natin. Yan. Real estate. Ayun. Manuel Villar. Ayan. 9.7 billion. Kung iaano mo to, umaabot ng 5 ano to, 500 billion pesos may get. Grabe ang yaman niya. Siya lang naman ang may-ari ng Vista Land. And marami siyang biggest stakes in Golden, formerly Golden Bria. So marami siyang ari-arian. Yan. Ang asawa niya ay si Senator Cynthia Villar. Ayan ang top 2 most richest. Alright. Ang number 3 is Enrique Rason Jr. na may network na 8.1 billion. Grabe. Siguro more or less 500 din to. Logistic naman ang kanyang source of income. Ayan, 8.1 billion. Siya lang naman yung mga may-ari ng mga container terminal services internationally, ano. The crown jewel of his hospitality firm, Bloomberry Resort in the Soleil Resorts and Casino in the Philippines. Grabe to. Top 3, oh. Mga port ang kanyang source of wealth. Alright. Whew. Wala bang balato dyan. So, ang top 4 natin is Ramon Ang. So, ito yung chairman ng San Miguel na merong net worth na 3.4 billion dollars. Dollars yan, hindi peso. So, ang kanyang industry is food and beverage. Ayan, tingnan natin. Yun. Ayan, si Ramon Ang. Alright. Ayun, president siya and vice chairman of San Miguel. Ayun, one of the oldest conglomerates in the Philippines. Ayan. Originally a brewer, San Miguel is now a leader in food and beverage. Siya lang naman ang may-ari na San Miguel. Alright. Source of wealth, diversified. Ibig sabihin, sari-sari nga. O ano pala siya? Ang education niya is Bachelor of Engineering in Far Eastern University. Yan. So, ang number 5 natin is Tony Tan Kachong and family. Ito yung may-ari ng Jollibee na may network na 3.2 billion. Yun. Ayun. 3.2 billion dollars yan, ha. Ayan, founder siya ng Jollibee Food, one of the world fastest growing Asian restaurant chain. Yan. So, ang dami ng ano yan. Ang Jollibee, umabot na Singapore, ayan, Amerika, UK, yan. Ayun. Yung source of wealth niya is restaurant. Ayan, self-made. Meron siyang tatlong anak. Yes. Ang top 6 natin yung Aboitiz family na may network na 3.15 billion dollars na tumataginting. Alright. Ang industry is the diversified. Alright. Tingnan natin. 3 point Aboitiz family. Yan. 3.15 billion. 5 generation of Aboitiz have transformed Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Ayan. Financial services, food, real estate, diversified. Yun. Then, ang top 7 natin is Lance Gokongwei and siblings. Ito yung may-ari ng Robinson's Land. Real estate to, saka malls na may asset na may network na 3 billion. Tingnan nyo, diversified. Ibig sabihin, sari-sari rin yung ano nila. Source, ayan, si Lance Gokongwei siblings. Siya lang naman may-ari ng, ayan, Robina, ayan, Robinson's Land, ayan, Lance Rance, JG Summit. Ayan, John Gokongwei, yung tatay niya eh. Robinson's Retail, Universal Robina, Cebu Pacific. Yan yung mga ano nila. Top 7. So, education niya is Bachelor of Art Science, University of Pennsylvania. Alright. Oh, what happened? What happened to my yan. Number 8. Yan. Isidro Conjuncy and siblings na may network na 2.9 billion. Ang kanilang industry is construction and engineering. Yan, tingnan natin. Ayun. Isidro Consunji and siblings na may network na 2.9 billion dollars. Yan. Sila lamang naman ang may-ari ng DMCI Holdings. Ayan. Pinakamalaking ano rin yan na property developers in the Philippines. Construction. Alright. Okay. Number 9 is Jobel Jaime Sobel de Ayala and family. Ang net worth nila is 2.8 billion. Diversified. Check natin. Wow, Jaime Sobel de Ayala and family. Yun. 2.8 billion. Oh my goodness. Napakayaman. Sila naman may-ari ng Ayala Group of Companies. Yan. Sa education niya, ano, Bachelor of Architecture, Harvard University. Whew. And number 10 is Lucio Tan na may network na 2.6 billion. Diversified ang kanyang industry. Tingnan natin. Lucio Tan, yan. Ito yung may-ari ng ano eh, ng Philippine ayan, Lucio Tan is the founder and chairman of LT Group. Sila yung may-ari ng tabako, ayan, Spirit Banking and Property Development. Asia Brewery, sa kanila din. Tapos yung PAL, yun. Philippine Airline, sa kanila din yun. Grabe. Education, Bachelor of Arts Science, Far Eastern University. So, number 11, hanggang number 11 na lang tayo. Is Andrew Tan. Ito yung may-ari ng Mega World eh. $2.4 billion. Diversified. Tingnan natin. Andrew Tan. Yan. Ayan o. Siya yung chairman ng Alliance Global. Then, Alliance Global runs Emperador. Yun. Ayan, Mega World. Ayan. Sila may-ari ng Mega World. Ito yung mga nagde-develop din. Developer din yan. Ang education niya is Bachelor of Arts and Science, University of the East. Alright. So ayan muna ang ating for today's video. Alright. This is Prince Acoustic. Bye for now.